Exploring the rain, Raining Stair Rods, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its colorful expressions. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a particularly vivid phrase, raining stair rods. This expression paints a vivid picture of the weather, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you a taste of the cultural nuances in English-speaking countries. So, let's get started and explore what it means when it's raining stair rods. The phrase, raining stair rods, is a British expression used to describe a very heavy rain shower. But what exactly are stair rods? Traditionally, stair rods are thin rods used to hold carpets in place on stairs. Imagine rain falling so heavily and vertically that it resembles these thin, straight rods. That's the intensity we're talking about here. This expression vividly captures the ferocity and straightness of the raindrops during a particularly heavy downpour. While it's a bit unclear how this expression first came into use, it's believed to have originated in the UK, where weather is a constant topic of conversation. Raining stair rods is more commonly heard in British English and might not be as well understood in other English-speaking countries. However, its usage paints a clear picture of the weather, making it a fantastic expression to use when you want to emphasize the severity of a rainstorm in a creative and vivid way. Incorporating raining stair rods into your conversation is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to add some flair to your descriptions of the weather. For example, I was going to go for a run, but it's raining stair rods out there. You'll need more than an umbrella if it starts raining stair rods. This phrase is perfect for informal conversations and writing, especially when you want to convey not just the intensity of the rain but also your feelings about it. We hope this exploration into the phrase, raining stair rods, has added a fun and vivid expression to your English vocabulary. English is full of such colorful expressions that make it a lively language to learn and speak. Remember, using expressions like this in your conversations can help you sound more natural and expressive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights into the English language. See you in the next video, and remember, always look for the sunshine beyond the stair rods.